This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to AirPlay on your Samsung TV with your iPad, your iPhone, etc. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings on your iPhone, iPad, whatever, and make sure you go to Wi-Fi here. And just make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi as your TV. If you're on two different Wi-Fis, you're not going to be able to connect. So if you have 2.4G and a 5G at the same router or something like that, or 6G now, make sure you're on the same one, otherwise it might not be able to connect. So we can go to settings and we can just double check everything. And then also restart your TV, restart your iPhone, iPad. For some reason, if it's not working, that always, it seems like it fixes everything. So restart your devices if it's not working, double check you're on the same one. Sometimes you might be on 5G on your iPhone, 2.4 on your TV. So I can see I'm connected right here. The other thing you can do, if it's not working, you can just bring it up right here. So if you go to connections, there's an option for AirPlay. Just scroll down a little bit more and you can find it. So on your iPhone, your iPad now, let's just scroll on down from the top right. Go to the option with the box, the two boxes. Go to your TV under here, tap it. And you should be screen mirror now. And just make sure AirPlay is turned on under that screen. You can see previous screen. And you can see it's on here now. And my iPad is working. And I can stop screen mirror. So on the previous screen, if I go to connections, open up AirPlay, you can see there's an option to turn it on or off. AirPlay settings. Make sure it's turned on. Set it up with the code the first time, and maybe that's why it's not working, because you didn't activate that code. And then you can just go to reset pair devices and try it again. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.